What if I told you, your moka pot might be stealing flavor from your coffee? We tested 22 models measuring heat distribution, brew quality, and durability, and the results will shock Italian grandmas everywhere. One premium pot produced bitter, over-extracted coffee, while our number 3 pick delivered perfect crema every time. If you want authentic cafe-quality espresso at home, this is the only ranking you need. Asterisk. Starting at number 1. Bialetti Mocha Express 6 Cup. The Bialetti Mocha Express 6 Cup maker is designed for your convenience and safety. Its transparent top lid allows you to monitor your espresso as it brews, preventing spills and burns. The handle is thoughtfully designed to keep your hands away from heat, ensuring a comfortable grip while you pour. Included with the pot is a stainless steel coffee clip spoon, perfect for scooping your favorite grounds and resealing the bag. Plus, the high gloss finish not only looks great but also protects against rust and pitting, making your espresso maker last longer. Number 2. Bialetti Mocha Express Bridgerton. The Bialetti Bridgerton Mocha Pot brings a touch of Regency elegance to your coffee routine. This special edition features a stunning cerulean blue finish with floral designs that echo the luxurious style of the Bridgerton series. You can easily prepare aromatic coffee by simply filling the pot with water and ground coffee, making it convenient for both beginners and seasoned coffee lovers. After brewing, cleanup is a breeze, just rinse it with water to maintain its quality and flavor. Enjoy your coffee in different cup sizes, tailored to your preferences, whether in small espresso cups or larger mugs. Number 3. Primula Classic Stovetop Espresso Maker. The Primula Classic Stovetop Espresso and Coffee Maker is a durable and easy-to-use mocha pot that produces 6 demitasse servings of rich, smooth espresso coffee in minutes. Its cast aluminum construction provides thorough and even heat distribution, and it is easy to clean by simply rinsing with warm water. It is also portable and works on all electric, ceramic and gas stovetops, making it perfect for camping trips. Number 4. Bialetti Venus Stainless Steel Espresso Maker. The Bialetti Venus 4-Cup Stainless Steel Espresso Maker is a streamlined modern shape and triple-chamber design that allows you to quickly and easily prepare freshly brewed rich and velvety flavored espresso on the stovetop. It features a patented safety valve that makes it easy to clean and disassemble, and a contoured handle for a comfortable grip. The coffee maker brews up to 4 2-ounce cups of smooth and full-bodied espresso in less than 5 minutes, and is suitable for all stove types including gas, electric, and induction. Number 5. Bialetti Mocha Express Stovetop Espresso Maker. The Bialetti Mocha Express Stovetop Espresso Maker is a classic Italian coffee maker made of high-quality aluminum. It is available in various sizes and can be used on gas, electric, and induction stovetops. The patented safety valve delivers a rich and authentic Italian coffee experience. Easy to use and clean, it is perfect for brewing coffee in espresso cups or larger containers. So, which mocha pot will you use to start your mornings? Let's argue in the comments. If this caffeinated research saved you from bad coffee, percolate that like button. It helps us brew more tests. Want more coffee truths? Subscribe. Next week we're exposing the biggest coffee grinder scams. All our top picks? Link below. Stay caffeinated.